The price of gold has shot up in the air towards the upside in the last couple of days. Also, the price of silver and crude oil is just sideways. What is happening in the market and what I expect this week, I will be discussing each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. So I'm on the crude oil's daily time frame chart over here, and first of all, the price of crude oil is just sideways, nothing much as of now. After a huge dump towards the downside, we are still seeing a couple, I would say a small recovery only, but nothing much in crude oil as of now. It did a retest of this important zone very well, and let's see what happens. Most probably it will pump towards the upside in the future, but it all depends on macroeconomics, and if not, crude oil becomes uncertain or not. Let's see what happens, but this is just a quick short analysis on crude oil, nothing much in crude as of now. Alright, silver. So if you all remember, I entered in a short position in silver over here at $39.2, and that went all the way down till $36.8. My first TP was hit successfully. After that, the price of silver started to reverse and go against me. Well, it's fine. I was already trailing my stop loss, so my stop loss was somewhat over here at entry price. So at the end I ended up in profits only, and right now the price of silver is just pumping towards the upside, making new all-time highs. Because if you look closely, and I'll just delete this Fibonacci from here, and you can clearly see this is the new all-time high of silver at $40. So right now I'm not taking any trade, absolutely not, because it is near its all-time high and it is very risky to take any trade in either of the directions. So it is better for me to avoid taking any trade in silver for now. Talking about gold in the end, well, after a long period of sideways market and very dead volume, the market of gold has started to reverse towards the upside, and as you can clearly see, gold's price right now is pumping towards the upside incessantly in a straight line. It is near its all-time high still, I would say not exactly, because 3500 exactly was its all-time high. So if it goes above it, then good. And also, I did not enter in any long or short position, because if you have watched my previous commodity videos, you already know I would have entered in a long position in gold if it would have came near my support level, maybe over here or maybe over here. If the price of gold did came near my support level, then only I would have taken any trade in long, but it did not, and it started to pump incessantly. So yeah, did not enter in any long or short trade in gold, but it's okay. For now I'll just wait on gold. Let's see, maybe I'll enter in a short position only if I find a very good confirmation, then only that will be also a risky trade. But personally I'm not taking any trade in gold, and also not in silver also right now. So let's see what it has to offer in the future. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. It is just a quick commodity special video, and I just wanted to discuss you guys what is happening in the crude oil, gold and silver's price. And right now silver's price made a new all-time high, and soon I think gold will also make a new all-time high as well. But obviously I'm not taking any trade personally, it is very risky for me. And on crude also I'm just waiting for the price to go above $65 mark, then only I may enter in a long or short trade, because as of now crude is also very uncertain. And yeah, nothing of this is financial advice. If you want to trade, you can trade. What do you guys think? Comment down below. But this week also for silver and gold, I am expecting a little bit bump towards the upside before a sideways market or a dump, because you have already seen that the price of silver and gold is just pumping towards the upside in a straight line. So let's see what the market has to offer, and no one can predict exactly the top or the bottom. So for me it is better to just wait, and let's see what the market has to offer. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.